Check out this 2013 Toyota Tacoma 56. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 4.0 LDOHCF a 24-valve V6 VVTi engine, 2-speed electronically controlled transfer case, automatic limited slip differential, 4-demand part-time 4-wheel drive, engine skid plate, coil spring double wishbone front suspension, front and rear stabilizer bars, variable assist PWR rack and pinion steering, front and rear mudguards and black grille insert and Argent surround. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.